Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight we're doing logo, but in another way, a different way that very simple and short. Okay, without wasting our time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that subscribe, click on the notification button below so that you'll be notified when we drop a new video. Okay, without wasting our time, I'll be teaching us something new, creating new. First of all, you change to inches. I would like to work in inches. You to change it to 5 by 5 inches. 5 by 5 inches. So tonight we'll be using this where this thing I was talking about the artboard. We'll be using 4 artboard. Let's just make it three. Three, yeah, three is okay. Then you click on create. So this is our layout. First thing I want to do, since I'm working on outboard one, yeah, you can see it outboard one, or another thing here, you can see outboard one I pick. So we'll be working on this outboard one. First thing I want to create a layer for it. This is the layer. So the first thing I'll do, I'll paste in our sketch. I've already sketched out the logo. This is the sketch. Don't mind me, I don't know how to sketch, but with time I'll still be perfect. So I'll reduce it to outboard one like this, like this. We already had outboard one. So the next thing I'll create another layout for the logo, which is layer 2. This layout or this file, I'll reduce the opacity a little bit. Yes, yeah, something like this. I'll reduce the opacity. So anything I'm working on to be on layer 2. So like I said yesterday, I'll pick my line tools. Don't forget to roll your sheet. I may not follow the same thing with my sketch, but just watch out and see. I make sure I still follow the sketch. So control control D, sorry, 1 4. You can see I'll select this 4. Sorry, I supposed to lock this other layout. I've locked it. So I'll select the same 4 again. Then control C, control F. You can see how it is. Sorry. Hope we are following. Very simple. No stress, nothing. So the next one we'll be following is this. We want to draw same line, but let me just increase this one a little bit, or let me drag it up. Yeah. So we'll be picking these two. Control C, Control F, then you turn it. Can we see the turning? Turn it like this. The turn is not yet perfect. Into it. Yeah, very fine. Let me increase it now. next thing you just do, you you right click it, transformation, reflect. You can see, then you press copy. Come, you see it here. Can we all see how simple it is? Very, very simple. Next thing you do, pick this one, this 4 right here. You group it. Oh, you just want to centralize it with this one. They are not centralized. So you shift until you can see that it's centralized now. Yes, very, very centralized and very, very perfect. Okay, let's give it a try and see what our design will look like. Control A, select all, then pick shape builder. You can see follow like this, follow like this, follow like this, follow like this. Yeah, pick your black, you click it. Can we see? Then you join all this entrance. See them. Then the next one, you can see this face. Just drag like this. Yeah, that's all. That's all. Very, very simple. So what will be our next thing? Let me just want to align it. Just as if I'm doing full branding. This one is one. Then I'll create another layer. Click here, pick this one, copy it, Control X, cut, and then Control F. I'll paste it in another layer. Okay, then I still want to do something. Come here, but divide this one into two. Divide this into two. Select this. Cut. It's supposed to be on another layer. So yeah, pick these two. Copy. Or you are cutting it to another one, another layer. So what you do, just reduce. Still duplicate and change the color to white. That's all. That's all. There's no big deal. It's very, very simple and short. So thanks for watching. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Good night. Bye bye.